40 Side Hustles for Single Moms in 2022, from home jobs to freelance opportunities. Ladies, here are 40 side jobs that might pique your interest. Please comment and share. What would you do if you could make an extra $1,000 a month? That's the question that single moms are asking themselves as they search for ways to make money from home. It can be tough to juggle work and childcare. But with a little creativity, there are plenty of side hustles that can help bring in some extra cash. In this blog post, we will explore 40 different side hustles that are perfect for single moms. Whether you're looking for freelance opportunities or home-based jobs, we have something for everyone. Freelance writing. This is one of the most popular side hustles for moms. It offers a flexible schedule and can be done from home. To get started, create a portfolio of your writing samples and start pitching to clients. Several online platforms allow you to find writing gigs such as Upwork and Fiverr. Start your own blog. Start a blog and monetize it through affiliate marketing or selling products and services. This can be a great way to earn some extra income while you share your passions with the world. Become a graphic designer. If you have a knack for design, you could also consider becoming a freelance graphic designer. You will earn money creating designs for different businesses. You can find work on platforms such as Fiverr or 99 Designs. Start a YouTube channel. Another popular side hustle for moms is starting a YouTube. This can be a great way to earn some extra income while sharing your talents with the world. To start, create a channel and start creating videos. Then monetize your channel through Google AdSense or selling products and services. Sell virtual assistance services. If you're good at multitasking and have a knack for organization, you could start selling virtual assistant services. This is a great way to earn some extra income while helping other businesses run smoothly. You can find work on platforms such as Fiverr or virtual affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn some extra income by promoting other businesses' products and services. To get started, sign up for an affiliate program and start promoting products on your blog or social media channels. Sell photos online. If you're a photography enthusiast, you could start selling your photos online. This is a great way to make money while doing something you love. You can sell your photos on stock photography sites such as Shutterstock or iStockPhoto. Sell handmade goods. If you're crafty, you could start selling your handmade goods online. This is a great way to earn some extra income while sharing your talents with the world. You can sell your goods on platforms such as Etsy or Artfire. Start a pet sitting business. If you love animals, you could start a pet sitting business. This is a great way to earn some extra income while spending time with your furry friends. To get started, create a profile on Rover or Wag. Become an online stylist. If you're good at fashion, you could start a side hustle as an online stylist. This is a great way to earn some extra income by helping others find the perfect outfit. You can sign up for companies such as Stitch Fix or Trunk Club. Rent your baby supplies. Do you remember all that baby stuff you have in storage? You could start renting out your baby supplies. This is a great way to earn some extra cash by renting out items such as cribs, car seats, and strollers. You can sign up for companies such as Baby Quip or Borrowed by Landscaping. Become a landscaper and help others improve their outdoor space. This is a great way to earn some cash by using your gardening skills. You can sign up for companies such as Lawn Love or Grasshopper. Start a home daycare. If you love kids, you could start a home daycare. This is a great way to earn some extra income while spending time with your little ones. To get started, create a profile on care.com or SitterCity. Get paid to shop. If you love to shop, you could start a side hustle as a mystery shopper. This is a great way to earn some extra income while getting free stuff. You can sign up for companies such as MarketForce or Second to None Print on Demand. If you're a creative individual, you could start a print-on-demand business. This is a great way to earn some extra income by selling your designs on products such as t-shirts, mugs, and notebooks. You can sign up for companies such as Printful or Zazzle. Food delivery business. If you're good at multitasking, you could start a food delivery business. This is a great way to earn some extra income while helping others. You can sign up for companies such as Postmates or DoorDash. Rent out your extra space. If you have extra space in your home, you could start renting Get Out. This is a great way to earn some extra income while providing a service to others. You can sign up for companies such as Airbnb or HomeAway. Start a gift business. If you're good at finding unique gifts, you could start a gift business. This is a great way to earn some extra income while helping others find the perfect present. You can sign up for companies such as Giftbox or gift cards, then start flipping products. If you're good at finding bargains, you could start flipping products. This is a great way to earn some extra income by buying low and selling high. You can find products on sites such as Craigslist or eBay. Become an influencer. If you're good at promoting products, you could start a side hustle as an influencer. This is a great way to earn some extra income by working with brands. You can sign up for companies such as Upfluence or Take Influence. Start Forex trading. If you're good with numbers, you could start Forex trading. This is a great way to earn some extra income by buying and selling currencies. You can sign up for companies such as eToro or Plus 500. Forex trading is risky, so make sure you do your research before starting. Start a podcast. Are you a good storyteller? You could start a podcast. This is a great way to earn some extra income while sharing your tales with the world. You can find work on platforms such as Anchor or Podbean. Start an online matchmaking business. If you're good at bringing people together, you could start an online matchmaking business. This is a great way to earn some extra income by helping others find love. You can sign up for companies such as eHarmony or Match.com transcription services. If you're good at typing, you could start a transcription business. This is a great way to earn some extra income by transcribing audio files into text. You can sign up for companies such as Reverend or Scrubby. Create online courses. If you're an expert in a certain subject, you could start creating online courses. This is a great way to earn some extra income by sharing your knowledge with the world. You can sign up for platforms such as Udemy or Skillshare. Become a social media manager. If you're good at using social media, you could start a side hustle as a social media manager. This is a great way to earn some extra income by helping others grow their online presence. You can sign up for companies such as Upwork or Fiverr. Flip NFTs. If you're good at investing, you could start flipping NFTs. This is a great way to earn some extra income by buying and selling digital assets. You can sign up for companies such as OpenSea or Wearable. Research on projects and find out which one is more likely to give you profit, then start buying and selling NFTs. Start an e-commerce business. Are you good at marketing and sales? You could start an e-commerce business. This is a great way to earn some extra income by selling products online. You can sign up for platforms such as Shopify or Etsy. Get paid to chat with strangers. If you're a people person, you could start a side hustle as a chat operator. This is a great way to earn some extra income by chatting with strangers. You can sign up for companies such as Live World or The Chat Shop. Pet grooming. If you love animals, and you like making them look cute, you could start pet grooming. This is a great way to earn some extra income by helping others keep their pets clean and well groomed. You can sign up for companies such as Rover or Wag. Start a home bakery. If you love to bake, you could start a home bakery. Earn some extra income by selling your homemade goodies. You can sign up for companies such as Cake Boss or Baked by Melissa. Become a professional cleaner. If you're good at cleaning, you could start a side hustle as a professional cleaner. This is a great way to earn some extra income by helping others keep their homes clean. You can sign up for companies such as HomeJoy or Springsteen language tutoring. If you're bilingual, you could start a side hustle as a language tutor. This is a great way to earn some extra income by helping others learn your native language. You can sign up for companies such as italki or Preply. Blog flipping. If you're good at blogging, you could start a side hustle as a blog flipper. This is a great way to earn some extra income by buying and selling blogs. You can sign up for companies such as Flipper or Empire Flippers. Earn money playing games. Get paid to play games. This is a great way to earn some extra income by doing something you love. You can sign up for companies such as Playtest, Cloud or User Testing. Become an Amazon FBA seller. If you're good at sourcing products, you could start an Amazon FBA business. This is a great way to earn some extra income by selling products on Amazon. You can sign up for companies such as Jungle Scout or Seller San. To start a consulting business, become a consultant and help others achieve their business goals. This is a great way to earn some extra income by using your skills and expertise. You can sign up for companies such as Clarity or Upwork greeting card business. If you're good at design, you could start a greeting card business. This is a great way to earn some extra income by creating and selling custom cards. You can sign up for companies such as Greeting Card Universe, or Zazzle. Flip NFTs. If you're good at investing, you could start flipping NFTs. This is a great way to earn some extra income by buying and selling digital assets. You can sign up for companies such as OpenSea or Wearable Research on projects and find out which one is more likely to give you profit, then start buying and selling NFTs. Get paid to fill online surveys. If you don't mind sharing your opinion, you could get paid to fill out online surveys. This is a great way to earn some extra income by giving your feedback on products and services. You can sign up for companies such as Survey Junkie or Inbox Dollars proofreading. If you have a good eye for detail, you could start proofreading. This is a great way to earn some extra cash by helping others improve their writing. You can sign up for companies such as Proofreading Pal or Grammarly. Online yoga instructor. If you're good at yoga, you could start a side hustle as an online instructor. This is a great way to earn some extra income by helping others improve their health and well-being. You can sign up for companies such as Yoga or Do Yoga with Me. Voice acting. If you have a good voice, you could start a side hustle as a voice actor. This is a great way to earn some extra income by lending your voice to projects. You can sign up for companies such as Voices.com or Fiverr. There are plenty of opportunities for single moms to make money. And you can start any of them right now. Do you have any other side hustle ideas for single moms? Share in the comments below.